Hi guys, today we are going to learn this in French. Do we say plus, plus, or pluz? I will also explain how to use it in a sentence. Let's start with its pronunciation. If this word has a positive meaning, like more, we need to pronounce S. For example, je veux plus. Je veux plus. Je veux plus de chocolat. So here, plus means more and it has a positive meaning, so we have to say plus. Je veux plus de chocolat. Second, if we have a noun starting with a vowel, we have to pronounce this word as pluz. For example, il est plus intelligent que lui. Il est plus intelligent que lui. So as you see here, intelligent starts with a vowel and plus ends with S. So we need to make a liaison. So we need to link them. Plus intelligent. Third, if this word has a negative meaning like anymore, we have to pronounce it as plus. For example, je ne veux plus travailler. Je ne veux plus manger. So here, plus means anymore. I don't want to eat anymore. So that's why S is silent. Je ne veux plus manger. Of course, there are some exceptions, especially when we use plus to compare people or objects. For example, we say elle est plus sympa que sa sœur. So here we don't pronounce the S because sympa is an adjective. So if there is an adjective, when we do comparison, we don't pronounce the S. Or if there is an adverb. For example, je vais au travail plus souvent que toi. So here we don't say plus because souvent is an adverb. Now let's talk about the uses of plus or plus in French. First, plus means plus or more in French. Let's see some examples. 2 plus 2 font 4. Elle a plus de 100 livres. J'ai plus de 10 cours. Tu veux plus de salade? Plus can be also used as an adverb when we do compare things. Let's see an example. Il travaille plus que son directeur. Tu es plus amical que ta sœur. As you can see here, we need to use que when we compare people or things in French. Finally, we use plus to say not anymore or no more. And it's used as a negation, ne plus. Let's see some examples. Je ne travaille plus dans cette compagnie. Il n'est plus au Canada. Je ne veux plus de chocolat. Okay guys, I hope you liked this short video about plus in French. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and follow my channel. And I also have a free ebook that you can download. I will leave the link in the description. And in this book, I cover 4 confusing things in French, such as plus, or un, or I, and tu. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you later.